Hello everyone. I already told you about money. Now the next topic in the money chapter is the conversion of rupees into paise. That is convert rupees into paise and convert into rupees. Clear? Children, today we will teach you how to convert rupees into paise and paise into rupees. So children will watch this video very carefully. You will all understand everything. Okay? As I already told you while explaining money, R means rupees and P means paise. R means rupees and P means paise. Right? Now children, first of all, we need to know how much money is there in 1 rupee. So, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. 1 rupee has 100 paise. Now suppose that you will be given any amount of money like 5 rupees, 40 rupees or 50, and it is said that if you change it in paise, then how will you do it? Here I will multiply the rupees by 100. Right? How? See here. Like if we want to convert 2 rupees into paise, then first we have to write 1 rupees is 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Clear? Now we will convert it. Therefore 2 rupees is equal to 2 multiplied by 100 is equal to 100 2s are 200. 100 2s are 200. 200 paise. Clear? Children, 1 rupee has 100 paise. Then 2 rupees will be how much paise? 200. Clear? Now answer 200 paise. Next, 15 rupees. Now it has to be converted the same way. First, we have to write rules. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Then, therefore, 15 rupees is equal to 15 multiplied by 100 paise. 15 ones are 15. Children, how many zeros here? 2. I will put 2 zeros here. Now 15 hundreds. 15 hundreds paise. Clear? Next, rupees 30.05. It has to be done the same way. First write rules. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So 30 rupees .05 is equal to, in bracket, 30 multiplied by 100. Here given 0.5 paise. So we will write it here with plus. You can see. Now 30 ones are 30. How many zeros here? 2. So we will put here 2 zeros. So become 30 hundreds paise. You can see, children, we can say 30 hundreds paise or 3000 paise. Clear? Okay, now we have to add this paise with this paise, this paise with this paise. We have to add. +300 +0.5. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. 0 plus 0 is 0. There is nothing here. So write 0 and here also nothing. So write 3 here. Answer 3005 paise. That is 3005 paise. Right? Okay. Now next, rupees 19.50. 19.50. So first we have to write rules. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Therefore, rupees 19.50 is equal to, in bracket, 19 multiply by 100 paise. Okay, plus 50 paise, written here 50. This is paise, so we have to write. Clear? Now we will multiply 19 multiply by 1. 19 1 ja 19. 19 1 ja 19. Here there are 2 zeros, so we will put here 2 zeros. Answer 19 hundreds. 19 hundreds paise. Now we will add 19 hundreds paise with this paise. This paise means 50 paise. Here written. So now we will add it with this. Okay. Let's add. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. There is nothing here. There is nothing here. So we will write 9 here. And there is nothing below 1. So we will write 1 here. Answer is 1950 paise. This is paise. $1,950 paise. Now you understand? Once see again. Okay.